Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can clip content into the Samsung Notes app on the Galaxy S22 series. Now first let's go back to the home screen and swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up Samsung Notes, then tap on the menu key on the left hand side and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on clipping options and make sure it is switched on. Once it is switched on, we can clip web pages, pictures and chat rooms into notes created while using gallery, internet or messages. So I'm going to go back now to the home screen and open up the internet browser, and then I'm going to tap on the recent key, and in my Samsung Notes I will open it in either split screen view or pop-up view. So let's say I'm going to open up in pop-up view and I open up my internet browser. Now I will tap on create new note, and you can see here there is a link at the bottom. I can tap on insert a link or insert the whole page. This will allow me to quickly clip the content into my Notes app. So let's say adding, and there it is. So in here I can decide what to do. So it's up to you what you want to do after that. And if I now delete this one, move to trash, and if I open up gallery and create a new note in here, and let me see the option how I can clip pictures. So I'll open up this picture right here, and in my note I can attach. You can see there is a attach button. I can quickly tap on the attach button, and that will allow me to quickly attach the pictures into my note. And that is the clipping option, how you can quickly clip content into your Samsung Notes on the Galaxy S22 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.